Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This week we got a really special video. It's another commission, but we're also having a featured artist. Beautiful art of ArtisticKind. I believe her name is Megan. Her art is so dope, you guys. I can't wait to show you guys her art. This commission is going to be for my girlfriend's sister-in-law, Maddie. I really love doing this painting because it challenged the hell out of me. Oh my God, did it challenge me. Mostly because the subject, with like the face, was so small. It's so hard to get in there with. Anyway, I'll get into that in the video. All the music is gonna be my music. I've made a few new beats lately, so I kind of want to showcase a couple of those off to you guys. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Alright guys, standard issue stuff here. We're just going in and we're starting with the face this time and just trying to get those values right. I'm trying to get like the paint on the canvas, and later on I realized that I might have went way too dark for those starting values. My baby comes in and she sees me painting, she's up there like, damn, Maddie looking black. I'm like, oh shit. I should probably lighten this up because Maddie is definitely not a black girl. Alright guys, so now I'm getting into the first dog. So a little backstory behind this painting. It was a commission from my girlfriend's brother, Mike. You might remember I did a painting for him not long ago. My girlfriend got it for him as a gift, and it was the eagle in the I painted America. He commissioned me to do a painting of his lovely wife. And he wanted me, and this challenged me too, because he wanted me to take two different pictures and then fuse them together to make one, something that I've never done before, and it was tough. Like I said, this one challenged me, especially because like her face was so small. Most of the time when I'm doing my portraits, it's a lot easier because I'm using a bigger piece of the canvas for the face. So I ran into quite a few issues with that amount of detail and trying to make it look like her. You'll definitely see throughout the paint of me struggle, but we'll get into that in the future. Alright guys, so as you can see, I've got most of the base layer down for the three subject, the two pups and Maddie, and I'm just spending as much time as I can just trying to match skin tones. As you'll see, like around this part is when I'm doing the skin tones on her legs and her arms, and I ended up making her arms a little bit too red, and then I had to go through and change that up. Growing pains, it's all good though. Like I definitely, like I said, I learned so much while doing this painting, so a lot of that is just growing pains. Alright guys, so now we are getting into the gold leaf. Oh my God, I love doing gold leaf this time. Last week I was up there like, fuck, I'm doing gold leaf. This week I'm all like, yes, I'm doing gold leaf. It went so much smoother this time, and I'm glad that I actually filmed most of the process, because last time I was like, turn that damn camera on. But this time it went really good, and this time I'm using actual gold color, not that rose color that I used for Clint. and it went on pretty good, and then it came off pretty good, and towards the end I like cleaned it up just a little bit here and there, but I'm overall really happy on how the gold leaf turned out. Alright guys, so this is the part where I got into my biggest like hurdles, and you'll see, and I almost like edited it out this video, like I don't want you guys to see my process, but for the eyes and the face and getting that all done, I just had a huge problem. Like I said, like I keep saying, the subject's face was just so small on the canvas, it was hard for me to see where things go, as well as my reference photo. Here's the reference photo right here. As you can see in the photo, I can't really see where the eyes are or anything like that, just because it was an old photo, and it's hard for me, like as a novice, to just know where that stuff goes. And yeah, it gave me a run for my money, but I ended up just going ahead and, like the photo, just shadowed over the face where her ball cap goes, and then kind of just did some dark spots to where her eyes like would be. I think that it came out okay, but it definitely let me know that there's some things that I need to work on, to say the least. Alright guys, so during this part we're getting that background done. I chose that brown color because I just love the way that brown looks up against gold and red. I did the same color scheme for the Notaku, and then somewhat the same color scheme last month or last week for Clint's painting. Those just colors just look beautiful to me, that brown, red, and gold, and I thought it would be great to kind of tie it in with this painting as well. I used some of my old techniques, grabbing some masking tape to kind of save myself some time, and to keep some like perfect like symmetry and straight lines when I'm painting. And then I went ahead and did the border gold, and I think that came out pretty sweet. I stole that idea from the Frankenstein's Bride joint that I did for Halloween. I kind of kept that same kind of background idea and whatnot, and I think it came out super dope. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. And also just going ahead and just doing some more detail, did a black outline around her in the pups to kind of make them pop out a little bit more, just a little bit more detailed work. And even after that, like today, I went ahead and I painted on a braid for her, because me and my baby were talking last night, and they're like, it kind of looks like she's bald-headed or something, which she's not. But she often wears this braid, and I wanted to go ahead and incorporate that in the painting as well. And also, just I didn't finish the hand, so I finished the hand as well too. I'm still gonna do a little bit more work, so even as you see the end type, that's not the finished product. But yeah, that's it. Alright guys, and with that, that's going to be another video done. Love all the commissions. Mike, love you, bro. Thank you so much for reaching out to me to do this commission for you and trusting me to paint a picture of your beautiful wife. You guys are the best. Me and Katie love you very much, and it was so fun to do this. And also, how about that art? Whoa, ArtisticKind. I aspire to do art as well as you do. Your art is beautiful, and it's so unique and so dope. You have your own style, and I definitely plan on picking up some of your pieces and hanging them in my house, because they are very reasonable and just awesome art. Thank you so much for being a kind soul and allowing me to showcase your art. And with that, guys, it's gonna be another video. Come back next week for some more sweet shit.